Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to use Quick Tap on Pixel 10. So go into the settings, then System, here Gestures and Quick Tap. Now enable it and select what you want to do. I'll go with Take Screenshot because it's the easiest to show you. Now take your phone and double tap this back of your phone. And as you can see, it took a screenshot. I'll show you. You probably could hear the screenshot. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.